Hey everyone, welcome back to English Express. I'm Emily. Today in our Practical English series, we're going to learn useful phrases for taking a taxi or using ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. These situations happen very often when you travel, go to the airport, or need to get somewhere quickly. Knowing the right English will help you feel confident, explain where you want to go, and handle everything smoothly. In this episode, we'll cover many real situations, and you'll hear the important phrases many times. When you're ready to take a taxi on the street, you can raise your hand and say, "Taxi." Once the taxi stops, you can say, "Hi, can you take me to the city centre, please?" Or, "I'd like to go to the train station." You should also tell them the exact address if you know it. "Please take me to 45 Park Avenue." If you're using a ride-sharing app, after the driver accepts your ride, you can greet them when you get in the car. "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Good afternoon." The driver might say, "Where are you heading today?" You can reply, "I'm going to the airport, please." Or, "Can you drop me off at the main entrance of the hotel?" It's important to confirm the destination. You can say, "Just to confirm, you're taking me to the Central Mall, right?" Or, "Is the route via the highway or through the city?" If you want to change something, you can politely say, "Could we stop at the bank first, please?" Or, "Would you mind taking a different route? There's heavy traffic ahead." During the ride, if you want the driver to slow down or drive more carefully, you can say, "Could you drive a bit slower, please?" Or, "The road is quite bumpy. Could you be careful?" If the air conditioning is too strong or too weak, you can ask, "Could you turn the AC up, down a little, please?" When you arrive at your destination, you can say, "This is perfect, thank you. You can stop here," or "Drop me off right in front of the building, please." After paying or finishing the ride on the app, always say "Thank you." "Thank you very much. Thanks for the smooth ride." Or, "I appreciate it. Have a great day." Here are more useful phrases for taxi and ride-sharing situations. How much will it cost approximately? How long will it take to get there? Can you wait for me for 5 minutes, please? Please keep the change. I left my phone in the car. Can you help me? If something goes wrong, you need to stay polite but clear. You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is the wrong address," or, "Sorry, I asked for the international terminal, not the domestic one." Let me repeat some of the most important phrases so they stay fresh in your mind. "Can you take me to the airport, please?" "I'd like to go to the train station." "Could you drive a bit slower, please?" "Could you turn the AC down?" "This is my stop. Thank you very much. Thanks for the ride." You can practice these phrases at home easily. Imagine you're getting into a car and say out loud, "Hi, please take me to the shopping mall," or "Could you drop me off at the main entrance?" Whether you're taking a traditional taxi or using a ride-sharing app, these phrases will help you communicate clearly and politely. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you will sound in every ride. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing these taxi and ride-sharing phrases. They are super useful in real life. You're making wonderful progress with your English. See you in the next episode. Take care and have a wonderful day.